Hello people of the YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, subscribe to the channel. Remember to activate the notification bell, and if you already subscribed to the channel, ring the notification bell as well to be the first one to get notified every time I post a new video. In today's video, I'm having a closer look at these two items, the hair clipper and the hair trimmer. Both items are purchased from AliExpress. Actually, I do have a video series called What's Inside My Huge AliExpress Haul. Go check those videos out if you want to see the unboxing of these two items. In those videos, I'm unboxing a bunch of other things. Alright, let's get back to these two. I paid $42, around $42 for the two items. I bought them together as a set. And $42 is, I'm just running up, is 41 something. But the price are gonna appear on the left side of the video. And they're gonna be in different currencies, and those currencies are the places where I have the most views. But anyway, if you don't be disappointed because the prices are not in your currency, if you just take the price in dollars and then put it on Google and write what it is in your currency, Google is gonna give you the right price in your currency. All right, so let's take a closer look at the build quality. Both items are made of metal. It's full metal for both items, and they're a little bit heavier than the normal trimmer. You can see everything is made out of metal except the display part here, which is plastic. It's not glass, it's plastic. And the bottom is also plastic, but everything else is metal. It's the same for the trimmer. It's also full metal, body metal, except for the for the screen, and except for this part here, the black part. That this one here is also made of plastic, and the bottom. I don't know if it comes through the video, but this thing is absolutely beautiful. I think it looks awesome. It's really good looking thing, both of them, as you can see. I like the art on them. And here you have the brand. The brand is Voyager. Yeah, they're heavy. They're heavier than a normal trimmer that has a full plastic body. Here you have the button. So when you press the button, it starts. And for this big trimmer, when you press the button, it shows you if you have to put oil. This one has for oil, and you can turn it off. And the small one, it doesn't show when you anything else than the percentage of the battery. When you press it, it's just that and shows you how much percentage of battery you have left. Both items have a USB-C in the bottom. As you can see, that's where you plug it to charge the items. This one though doesn't have any screws at the bottom, so probably you have to pop this one out in some way to have access into to the inside. And this one you have 2 screws if you want to open it. The big one has 2000 milliamp hour battery, and the small one has 1200 milliamp hour battery, and the big one is way more heavier than the smaller one, but both of them are heavy in their own weight. Since I got them, I haven't charged them. I only charged them when I actually got them, and then I haven't charged them yet. But I'm not using them as, for example, somebody who has a hair salon or something will use them. I use them like once a week to whether shave the beard or shave it tightly. Yeah, I don't use these clippers. I don't use the clipper to shave my hair. I use it to shave the beard. So when I want to shave the beard, but I don't want to have a close cut, I want to have some hair left, I'll use the clipper, the hair clipper. And when I want a more closer cut where I don't have any hair, I use the trimmer. You may be wondering, why don't you just use a blade? And that's because I do get ingrown hair, and it's really, really bad. I stopped using blade to shave my beard a long time ago, so I'll go with the trimmers. And since I've been doing that, I don't have the ingrown hair problem anymore. So that's what I use this to shave my beard. So I would say, for the price, before I give my final verdict, whether it's a thumbs up or a thumb down. When I got these clippers, they came with some accessories beside the charging, the USB charging port, the USB-C charging cable. I don't know where those cables are because I threw them away. I just use my regular phone cable to charge them. Anyway, so for the hair clipper, when you buy it, you get these accessories, and for the trimmer you get these accessories, right? And one thing I forgot to tell you is that initially when I ordered them, I had a choice to either get them in a nice box and pay more, or just get them without a box. I chose the second option, where I could get them without a box, but it was still well packed and everything. As you can see, nothing came broken, and that kind of saved me I think $5 or something for choosing that option, the non-box option. But you could get them in a nice box where they come in, and then you have the whole experience of opening the boxes and all that. Very, very nice clippers. Any downside? Maybe the weight could be a downside for some people, but that's not a downside for me. I absolutely love these clippers. Like, now I don't know how long they're gonna last, or how long the battery is gonna last. Because before I bought these clippers, I bought another one. It was red, but it was plastic enclosing, and the battery died on that clipper. Actually, I had two, a black one and a red one. The battery died after a few months. Like, I used the clipper and the battery got discharged, and when I went to charge the battery anymore, it wasn't holding the charge anymore. In order to use those two clippers, I had to keep them plugged in. Unfortunately, I don't have them here to show you, but I threw them away. They were also from AliExpress. So I hope this the clippers and the trimmer, they will last a longer time than those two. After all, they cost $42, right? Before I got these two clippers, I used to use this one, right? And this, I got it from work. It's alright. The thing I don't like about this one is, see, the blade is short. Is short. It's too short. It's not wide like this one, right? This one, when you go once, you take a lot, and this one you have to go like 2 times to take the same area, to cut hair in the same area. Where this one you just go once and then you cut hair in the big area. Other than that, this one worked fine, and it's not as heavy, of course, because the enclosing is the plastic enclosing. It's not like this one that's metal enclosing. But I do like this one better. So anyway, that was a quick review of these 2 items from my huge AliExpress haul. Yeah, maybe one could wish a fast charging on this item as well, because to fully charge this one, it takes 3 hours to fully charge it from 0 to 100%, and to fully charge this one is 1.5 hours to fully charge them. Both of them are rated to work for more than 3 hours. It says 200 minutes. Yeah, 200 minutes. So it's a little bit over 3 hours. But if it says 300 minutes, so I'm pretty sure that they can last for at least 2.5 hours, right? Give and take. All right. So what's my verdict on these 2 clippers? Well, these 2 clippers get a thumbs up from me. They get a thumbs up, a big thumbs up from me. Build quality is excellent. The shaving, when you use them, excellent, works well. They're future proof with a USB-C, not a micro USB. You have a display here to see how much charge you have left. You have a big battery on each of them, which is also a plus in my book. So I will give them a big thumbs up. You can have a look at them on AliExpress as well, if you're thinking of buying something. But this one, a thumbs up. It's not a waste of money. Alright, Panda Mate Squad. If you've made it this far, thank you for sticking with me to the very end. I appreciate your support. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, smash that thumbs up. If you have questions or critics, drop them down below. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell as well, to be the first one to get notified every time I post a new video. While you're here, go check out the other videos I have on my channel. Until next time, keep it real, and I'll catch you in the next one.